Hey family, how's it going? This is Lamar Eugene coming to you from Piano Boulevard, and today I'm going to be showing you a song from my instructional series in D-flat, Love Theory by Kirk Franklin. Now just so you guys are aware, I have 6 categories of students. I have beginner, intermediate 1, intermediate 2, advanced 1, advanced 2, and then I have professional. This song is kind of at the intermediate 2, advanced 1 level. So if you're a complete beginner, this may be a bit challenging to you due to the coordination that it requires. Let's get to it. D flat is 1, 2, 3, 4 is a half, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a half. Okay? Now the song has 3 different parts. I'm gonna show you all 3 parts. The first part is kind of 2 sections. I'm gonna give you the chords, and then I'm gonna kind of give you the little rhythm on it. The first chord is gonna be on the 4, and we have an F sharp. On top of that, we have a simple B flat minor. That's B flat, D flat, F. The next chord in this little sequence is going to be A flat major. That's A flat, C, E flat. So the first little sequence is just those 2 chords. Okay. Now the rhythm, and I'll show you this kind of slowly. The rhythm is this. We have ba ba do ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba. One more time. Ba ba boo ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba. And we're gonna end it on the B flat. Okay. Now I have the the A flat major chord, but we're gonna put a B flat in the bass, making this a 6 chord now. Okay. And then we're going into the second sequence of the first part. Now you're gonna go from this A flat, C, E flat to F sharp, B flat, D flat. That's a B flat minor, but it's a 3rd inversion. So you're gonna go back and forth between those 2 chords on this next sequence. Now the rhythm is kind of going to be the same as the first sequence. We have boo ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba ba ba. Now I'm gonna give you this chord in a second. I'm gonna spell it out in a second, but I just want to give you that rhythm one more time. Ba ba boo ba boo ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba ba. Okay. Now that's a B flat dominant 7. I have the B flat in the bass. That's a A flat, B flat, and a D. And then I'm gonna play that kind of twice, and then go back to my 4. Okay, so we have ba ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba ba boo ba ba ba, and then I'm back in my 4. So that sequence is. So I kind of threw that at the end of that second one. When I went to that B flat major, I said, okay, so I went from that D to an F with the ring finger to a E flat with the ring finger, and then an F with the pinky, and then back to my 4. And then back to the 4. Ba ba boo ba. Here we go. I'm sorry, ba ba boo ba 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 da da, and then we're back at our 4. That's how that sequence kind of goes. That's the whole first riff. Now when we get to the end of it, they're gonna have this everything is working for my good in all ways. Everything is, okay? Everything is, right? That's single notes, and we're gonna be working. That's gonna be a C, B flat, E flat, F sharp. Working for my good is going to be a F. That's going to be a sharp 9, sharp 5. We have an A, D flat, E flat, A flat. For my good and always is going to be my 6. That's a B, A flat, C, D flat, F sharp. Everything is working for my good and always. So we have ba ba boo ba boo ba ba boo ba ba boo ba boo ba 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 boo ba ba for my good and always. That's how that little sequence go, and then we're at the top He saved the day, and that's the same part that we just did. Okay, so they go through all of that, and then they get into the I don't want to love nobody but you. That part right there is I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. Okay, so we start on the 4 chord. Okay, now what I did is I actually put an A flat here, and I kept this same B minor, but I put an A flat with that. You don't have to do that, it's not necessary. It's just filling the chord out a little bit more. You can play that perfectly fine with just the B flat. I don't want to love nobody but 7-3-6, the same 7-3-6 we just did. The next piece is going to be a 5-1-4. That's a minor 11th. We have the A flat, F sharp, B flat, B, E flat, love, no. When we go to the 1, just drop the thumb. See that? We just dropped the thumb from the F sharp to the F, but back to our 4. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. And then it kind of starts back at the top of the song, and it goes through that entire sequence again, and then it comes back around to the I don't want to love nobody but you, but this time it's slightly different. We have I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. Okay, so this time we did the complete circle of 4, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody. I don't want to. Okay, so we did 6. We went to the 2, which is an E flat. We just dropped the thumb from A flat to G. 5 to the 1 to the 4. Okay, I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but 6, 2, 5, 1 to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. I don't want to love nobody but you. Then watch this. Okay, so I said, right, just walking up that scale. Okay, loving you. So that's going to the 4, 3 will be to the 6. Then we're going to go to the 1. Same chords we've already learned. Will be the death of me. Then to the 1. Then we have that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, here's a new part. The more of you but less of me. More of you, less of me. Okay, so what I did here, more of you, that's a B flat chord. We have a B flat, F sharp, A flat, B flat, E flat, more of you, less. Watch what I do here. I'm gonna go to an A, but I'm gonna put a G with that, single notes. I'm still holding that E flat though. And then we're gonna go to our 5 chord, 1, but instead of going to the 1, I went to a G. And then we're back at the I don't want to love nobody but you. So loving you will be the death of me. That's how it's supposed to be. More of you, less of me. I don't want to love nobody but you. Guys, that's it. That's all that there is to this song. Now I put quite a bit in there. Take your time, pause it, digest it however you need to. Remember guys, the key to greatness is simple. Practice, practice, practice. Play what you know because you know what you're playing. And I'll see you guys next time.